2022 for me is pause and simplicity. If that interests you, join me as I'm going through a new series for the spring and summer about pausing, simplicity, and minimalism. Today I wanted to share with you my new video on my new coffee bar and also a juice bar that I have created in my kitchen. So let's dive in. So this is a quick tour of my coffee bar that I've just set up that's very just simple, it's clean. It's just a natural looking, it's really refreshing, and so it's a great way for me to start my morning. So this coffee cart I actually got at Goodwill for $14.99. I can't believe that I got this and was able to score it. It's actually from IKEA, so I felt like, oh, that's a really great deal. So on the top shelf, I do have my Keurig. And then I just have the mugs. I actually got that little coffee stand or the coffee mug stand at Goodwill a couple of months ago or like a year ago. And then I just love these mugs. These are, I believe I got them from Fred Meyer's. On top, I always like having just a spice. So I don't know about you guys, but I enjoy having pumpkin spice or cinnamon in my coffee. Do you like that? Comment below. Let me know. So, and then also just having like a little placemat. I actually got these at Walmart several years ago. So I just like having like a cute little round mat. And then I do have just a cute little green, greenery. I can't do a lot of real plants in my house because I have a cat. More to come on that. But so on the top drawer, this is just my Keurigs. I do love McDonald's coffee. I don't know why, but it is so good. It's so strong. It's one of my favorites. So that I just have just in here. And then over here, I do love a lot of like iced teas and then maybe just a little bit of equal. So those are kind of my three, my two favorites of like a hot coffee and maybe like an iced tea. So that's one of my favorites. And then on the second shelf, I just have all of my teas. I love having a lot of tea, and so in this box you can see I just have an array of different teas from decaf to chai teas, green teas, and all of that. So I've got some matchas in there, so I just have like all of my favorite teas that I will drink weekly. And then down below on the third shelf, I just have a little basket with some decor because this is just in my dining area. So that is a little bit of my coffee bar. Over here, I did set up a juice bar. So I am in a season of really moving towards plant-based eating, and so with that I really want to do more juicing. I want to have a lot more just natural foods in my body, and so I do have this Hamilton Beach. It's just a very small, it's minimalist, it's simple little blender. It's great because I can actually take this on the go to work. I have actually two. I have one at work and one at home, and then I just take this little guy with me sometimes to work if the other one is dirty. So I just set up like a nice little candle that's just really refreshing, and then one of these little lights. I love turning on this light in the morning. It's just a calm way of starting the day. And then just this little basket. I actually got this basket at Goodwill, which I thought was really cute. It's just a very simple, clean, crisp type basket. And then I've just, I always like to have bananas. I do a lot of coconut oil if it's in my coffee, my cooking, or even sometimes I put just a pinch of it in my smoothies. There's so many benefits of coconut oil. And then I do have my wheatgrass. So I use a lot of this in my smoothies. And so then also I'll just share a quick little bit of what I put in my smoothies. One of my favorite collagen proteins is from NeoCell. You can get that from Amazon. It's a really great deal. It's very healthy. 10 grams of collagen. It's great for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joint support. And then also I love having like cocoa powder on hand. That's one of my favorites. That I'll put in like a morning coffee with a banana, a little bit of collagen. So that's a really great way to start your morning with a little bit of coffee, a little sweet, a little punch of energy. So that's really good. And then these are just a little bit of my vitamins that I always have on tap. Also, I'll do another video of like fully on my nutrition and my vitamins. But so this is just a little bit of a spring refresh, just a real simple, minimalist, clean. I feel like it's really like, I don't know, I just like looking at it because it's just very refreshing looking, just starting the morning off with a little bit of coffee or a juice if it's like after a workout or before a workout, all of that. So this is the new coffee bar that I set up. What is your favorite type of coffee? Let me know. Do you do juicing? Do you like to have smoothies? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, guys, today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite smoothies that I love to drink for a pre-workout. So make a cup of coffee. So for me, I love the McCafe blend. You're going to use your protein of choice. I like the NeoCell collagen. You can get that off of Amazon. Half a banana. You're going to put a few cubes of ice. Milk of choice, I use the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And then Navita's organic cocoa powder. This has 45 grams of protein and is plant-based. Put that in the blender. And then you're going to go on ahead and just put it in a glass and drink. And you are ready to go for a great workout, energy-packed day, and you are set. Enjoy!